Hi, this is Howard Fleischman Sr. with Community Tire Pros and Auto Repair. We'd like to address what's going on during the COVID-19 crisis, both at Community, all of the Tire Pros, and any of the narpro.com shops. We're here to keep you safe. If you're using somebody else and you're happy with them, don't change. Just trust and verify that they've got your health in mind. I've got my son here with me to take us through the steps and what we're doing. Howard Jr.
Hi, I'm Howard Jr., and I just want to talk to our clients and let you know some of the precautionary methods we have put into place right now when you come to see us to keep you, your family, and of course us safe. The first thing is when you come to see us, we have a couple of different ways of keeping you safe. First is we are obviously practicing the social distancing. A couple of ways of doing that is you can drop the keys in our drop box, and from there we'll handle it. We'll grab the keys, we'll work on the vehicle, and then we can communicate with you on the telephone. We can let you know what's going on with the vehicle. You can authorize repairs, and you can also pay on the phone as well. When you show up to our shop, you can also call us when you're in the parking lot. We can come out to your vehicle. You can leave the keys in the ignition, and we can talk, again, keeping that social spacing. We also do offer pickup and delivery of your vehicle as well. When you come into our offices, besides the social distancing, we are sanitizing the showroom on a continuous basis to keep it clean for both you and our employees as well. We've also instituted gloves for everybody in our operation. At the front counter, we use gloves to handle your keys, again, to keep you safe and us safe. Our technicians are using gloves as well when they drive your vehicle, when they're touching the steering wheel, your gear shifter, your outside door handle, your door panel. Again, just trying to keep you and us both safe. When the vehicle is done, we do wipe down everything that we have touched just as a precautionary method, using a sanitized wipe and making sure everything is sterilized before you get the vehicle back.
Thank you for the opportunity for us to communicate with you today. Our industry everywhere is open because we're considered essential. We want to take care of you. We want to keep you safe. Please give us the opportunity to keep our people employed. We've got a lot of special deals running right now, especially for our first responders, our police, our nurses, so on and so forth. Come see us. Be safe.